Hi crafty friends, Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today I have a fun unboxing for you. I am unboxing the Winter Cherry Box. This is a quarterly subscription and it is full of paper crafting goodness. I will have a link listed down below in the description box if you would like to get your own cherry box. So let's take a look at what's inside. First, they include this nice pamphlet that gives you some ideas. And then on the back, it does include a listing of everything that's listed in the box. So you have a reference to go back to. Now let me get this open and let's see what we got. You get all of this stuff. I absolutely love it. All right, let me take some of this out of the package so we can pick up each item individually. First, you get this foil. This is a luxury craft foil in chrome silver. Now, I did see that there's some sheets in there that you can use this with, so you don't need a fancy machine or anything for that. I have been dying to try this Catherine Pooler Platinum ink. We get that in here. Then we also get these Nuvo dual dot markers. They're metallic. So it looks like you get gold, silver, and like a rose gold maybe. Those are nice. Then you get this Nuvo expanding mousse. It says you can add a textured distressed 3D effect using a heat tool. So this would be really cool, put through a stencil just with like a little spatula. Oh, that's going to be really pretty, like for snowflakes. Let me get this open so I can show you the color. I'm going to take the top off here. Look how pretty and shimmery this is. I've got to try it with some snowflakes. Wouldn't that be gorgeous? Can you see that? All that shimmer and shine in there? That is really pretty. I don't have any of those either, so I'm excited to try that. All right, what else do we have here? These are Tim Holtz shape seals. They're pretty heavy. Okay. And this is the Simple Stories Ephemera. It is from the Simple Vintage 'Tis the Season. And it says you get 36 pieces in here. Let me see if I can show you a couple of these. Looks like we've got some tags or tickets. And then this really pretty Christmas tree. That's really pretty. Wait a second here. Let me look in here. I see something red. I want to see what this is. This looks really pretty. Ooh, I love that. A wreath with a candle in it. Yeah, I love this. I love Simple Stories. So I'm excited to use that. Then let's see what else we got. We have the Simple Stories chipboard frames. This is also in the Simple Vintage 'Tis the Season. And these are what the frames look like. It says you get 6 frames. It looks like there's more than that. Then look at this cute little stamp set. It's called A Very Festive Fayre. It contains 24 stamps. Let's see, who is this? This is from Tonic Studios. And these are really cute. Oh, look, you have like this little, like a little sign that each of the little critters can hold. That's super cute. I can't wait to try that. Then I have this Sissix 3D Impresslits from Tim Holtz. It's got like some holly and berries. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but that's really pretty. And then these are the Foil Fusion Adhesive Sheets. So that's to use with that foil. And let's see, you get 4 sheets in there. Then everyone gets a stencil. I think the stencils might vary. I love this one. That's going to be really pretty on a scrapbook page. It's a good size. Then you get the Simple Stories chipboard stickers, Simple Vintage 'Tis the Season. There are 25 stickers in here. And then I want to open this up. So this is the paper pack that you receive. Now this is called Winter's Veil. And it is from Tonic Studios. You get 18 sheets of luxury 20 GSM cardstock. You do get 2 each of 9 double-sided designs. And then there's 28 tags and stamps that you can use as well. Oh, I love this one. It looks like it has like mixed media on it. These are really pretty. I don't think I have any Tonic Studios brand paper, so Look at that. Oh, I love wood grain. So these are really pretty. I'll just flip through here so that I can show you each of them. There's some stripes, there's some deer, and another like more wood grain type paper with some snowflakes. I love that. That's so pretty. And then more snowflakes. You know, I haven't made my Christmas cards yet. It's December and I don't have my cards made yet. So I'm thinking that I could make some Christmas cards using this paper pad and they would be like winter cards. So that'd be pretty. I think I might do that. And I'm flipping through here. I think these are duplicates now, but I'm going to keep flipping through here just in case. I don't remember seeing this one. Just in case we've missed one. These are all really pretty. So, like I said, if you are interested in this cherry box subscription, I do have an affiliate link listed down below in the description box, and I really appreciate when you shop my links as I do receive a small commission at no extra charge to you. All right, if you've liked this video, please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe and ring that bell to receive notifications. I will leave my link down below to Facebook and Instagram, and I would love for you to follow me there as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!